circle. And what we're going to do is you're going to stay in your spot, and up and down, and you want your knees as high as they can go. Okay, ready? Go. Alright, now I need everyone on this green line. Let's go.
Okay, you got a deaf kid in your class. Where would you put him?
Closest to me, well, he can see me best.
Yeah, he didn't need to be out here. He needed to be in the middle where he could put the interpreter up there with the teacher so he could see both at one time.
So stay close to the interpreter.
Right.
All the way down the court. And on this imaginary line, you're going to jump from side to side. Okay? On my whistle, go.
Okay, we have a safety issue.
Yeah.
What is the safety issue? Yeah, and he didn't notice.
Now everybody do it on the way back, too. Go.
And an easy fix, just blow the whistle early.
Yes,
So
before
this
they
is
get
the
there.
cutoff line.
Good job, Teach. Doing good. He's going to hear everything you say when he watches this on the video.
Good job.
I wouldn't have one child.
Can't see him.
Stand right here at half court. You're going to have to take your green line. Keep running towards me. You're going to have to turn around and go red light. Looking at the red light. You're going to go all the way back to start. Ready? Green light.